let's move on to how you actually choose the chords in a reel. Usually, if the key is D major or if the key is G major, the first chord of the piece is going to be whatever the key is. So I might as well just fill out the whole tune with D major to start with. There are some tunes that don't start on the tonic, but most of them do, and Bells of Tipperary does. So let's just listen to the melody of it once and go from there. 1, 2, 3, 4. That was the A section once through. Now, when I'm playing through a reel, or any tune for that matter, there's really just one spot that I really focus on listening to the harmony first. There are other spots that'll come in later, but I think of a reel in 2-bar phrases. So, you know, the A section is 4 bars and the B section is 4 bars, but I really think of them both as a 2-bar call and response. So like 2 bars of question and then 2 bars of answer. So those phrases are 8 quarter notes in length. So let me just demonstrate that again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Question. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's the response. And so I really listen to beats 7 and 8 because that's where the cadence happens. And a cadence is defined in music as the resolution of a phrase. And there's 2 types of cadences. There's full cadences where the harmony ends on the tonic, so 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And it ends on the tonic, it resolves. And then there's a half cadence where the harmony ends on something that is not the tonic. So for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we end on the dominant. You're more likely to find a half cadence on the first phrase and a full cadence on the second phrase. That's pretty common. Although sometimes you've got full on both or half on both. It's kind of just, you have to listen for that. And so that's why it's good to be clear on you know, being able to recognize tonic and subdominant and dominant. So in this particular tune, let's listen to it again.
1,
and I'll play along.
2, 3, 4.
I'm just going to stay on the tonic. So the first, it was just like I just described. So the first phrase is a half cadence, so it goes from 1, 4, 5, and then the second one goes from 5 to 1. And so I could get through the whole A section doing that. Let's move on. I'll do the A section one more time and then we'll listen to the B section. And again, the A section just repeats verbatim. Here's the B. So for the B section, same kind of deal. I think I could almost do the same exact harmony for, you know, the same cadences and be fine. However, I also hear that in the B section, there's a part in the second measure that doesn't harmonize well with the 1 chord. So listen to this.